Hello, I'm Baroness Blower of Starch Green, Christine Blower, and as well as being a member of the British Parliament in the House of Lords, I'm also a patron of Peace in Kurdistan and a member of the all-party parliamentary group on Kurdistan in Turkey and in Syria. And the purpose of this message is to bring to your attention that the patrons of Peace in Kurdistan have written a very long letter drawing on the recommendations of the report of the APPG to the British Foreign Secretary and to her Labour shadow to call upon them to review their position with regard to the PKK. And the reason for this is that the Belgian High Court and institutions in the Council of Europe have declared that the PKK is not a terrorist organisation. And those of us involved with Peace in Kurdistan believe that the time is now to renew peace talks in order to find a solution to the Kurdish question. We know that in 2013 to 15, peace talks were held with the participation of Abdullah Öcalan and the PKK, and that is the route that we need to take now. So we call upon the British government to respond to the letter which we've written to them, and to think about taking positive steps, both to review their position about the PKK and to engage with all parties in order to find a peaceful solution to the Kurdish question. In this, Abdullah Öcalan will be absolutely central. The time, my friends, has come. Thank you.